monitoring register, wherein various details of the team's position as well as the tiger's position are being taken on hourly basis. Hourly basis. And then at the end of the day, they give you abstract saying that this is the event that went through along with this tiger. If there is an interaction between two tigers, that also will be jotted down here. This one thing. And then ekkada tumhara wo kahan handing over taking over register hai dena. This register is technical, okay, whereas this register is purely administrative. One, every team will have 3 different separate parties, and then each party is supposed to do 8-hour duty, but for convenience sake these parties do 12 hours duty. So every team that way does a 12-hour duty and takes rest for 24 hours. That's how they get repercuted, one thing. And second thing, whenever they hand over, take over, this is the register, administrative register, we are handing over, taking over register, this one thing. And then initially all these teams, and then every tiger does have a separate register, separate monitoring party. And every team is assisted by either a forest guard or a technically competent labor. And then he is assisted by one assistant, and then they do have an independent vehicle along with a driver. So individual monitoring party does have 3 people together, and each monitoring party does have 3 different parties, so that there is a rotation and everywhere no one gets any fatigue or something like that, one thing. This is one thing.
So
and second
there
thing,
will be 9 people.
9 people
tiger, right?
managing one tiger. That's one thing. And with an independent vehicle on 24-hour basis. Second thing, they do have a technical assistant over every other team. Technical assistant is at the range assistant level. As of now, we don't require him. Earlier in the beginning, because there is a difficulty in coordination between the different teams. And then how to really contain the male tiger within the tiger reserve was a very biggest challenge for us in the initial first year when he brought him for the second time. So to coordinate these things, we used to have a technical assistant at the range assistant level, and then other than that, every other tiger has been given an administrative in charge at the range officer level. So a range officer level is administratively in charge for every tiger team, because he has to ensure the teams arrive on the spot timely, and all the logistics that are required for the team are there in place and they are in working condition. And every other team does have a receiver antenna, then they do have compass, they do have camera, they do have binoculars, other than torch lights and other logistic supports for them. This is about every team that is doing them. Then other than that, there is a technical range officer who is in charge for all the teams for 24 hours. So basically, he travels with all the teams during the night time, ensures that they are working. Second thing, asks them about their problems. If there is any problem, immediately that gets solved. Besides that, they do have a mobile, because whatever information they pass on will not be passed on on the radio, because there is a security issue. Second thing, many things get leaked out of the park, which we don't want. So whatever the communication has to be given, mostly it has to be given only by the mobile, one thing. Second,
even the radio set, right?
Radio, whenever they communicate in a different set, different channel. Okay. We do have three channels. So whenever we do any activity with respect to tiger, we do use a very specific channel for that. We decide it and we do it. That's one thing. Then on 24-hour basis, if there is an emergency, anybody can call anybody in the division, depending upon the requirement. They can call even me also at the midnight also. There were very many occasions when they have called and we responded and we were there on the spot to help everybody. That's one thing. And second thing, every day, all the teams other than the range officer who is inspecting during the night time, they report directly to the technical coordinator at the headquarter level, Tamrakarji, ACF level officer, and they give the entire day-to-day summary, 24-hour basis to him, which is reported to me through deputy director. On a daily basis. On daily basis. Every day I get information in the morning. If there is any emergency, that's intimated to me every day, every time, any time rather. Especially nowadays, the movements of T1 and T2, because they are with the cubs, it's reported the moment the tiger makes a movement to me. So that we predict something and we anticipate something and then we take care of those things. That's how we do. Just I will tell you one thing. When this tigress littered, in the first 9 days she could not make a kill. She was scavenging and then we supplemented the food.